Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I am excited to be here because now we are into the busy season. The month of August is well underway, and any of you who have been in this home-based business industry for any length of time, I've been around a long time, knows what happens at the onset of August every year. It's our busy season, and you want to be out there capitalizing on it and focusing every single day on your traffic and lead generation strategies. Now, I understand that I know that not everybody is a social media marketing enthusiast. There's people that choose for whatever reasons, okay, not to utilize social media to generate traffic and leads and build your business. And that's that's fine. I mean, it's a personal preference. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to use social media, you're definitely going to need an alternative, okay? An alternative solution. So you can do paid traffic, and we have all of that training on that, those strategies. And it makes sense, though, to take your business and capitalize on it and get exposure where the masses are. It just so happens that every single month, on average, there's 250 million users who are on Craigslist. So that's exactly what we teach and train on, okay, on an ongoing, consistent basis. As a matter of fact, this past week on Monday, we had a wonderful webinar. Our focus was on our Craigslist training using our Craigslist Autoreply software, which is a one-of-a-kind tool in the industry. I've been using it now for a couple of years, and I absolutely love it. Our members love it too. It's really, really hot. And not only can you use it to build your business, but you can also resell it and earn 100% commissions. So it's truly extremely beneficial, and it's really a win-win. Use it to build your business for traffic and lead generation to build your email list, and then resell it and earn 100% commissions of $500 over and over again. The $500 mastery with Get Fearless Freedom just happens to be our sweet spot. So for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you that our members are absolutely loving the software, using it, okay, all week long. And this is just a sample ad that works very well and pulls very well. Now, one particular category that we make really good utilization of, and we have complete training for this because it's a very cost-efficient method as well, is the small biz ads. So we're going to teach you and train you how to get these up with great success, okay, for as little as $5. We'll show you exactly where to go, what geographic areas work very well. We'll give you sample ads and everything you need to be successful with this tool and with the software. We have these images. These work very, very well. They pull very well and they convert very well. And we put short, simple little ads up. We give a call to action at the end of our Craigslist ad and exactly what we are wanting to do. The main objective is to get our lead to hit reply so that our Craigslist auto reply software kicks in and the process is automated. You don't have to worry about spending time manually responding to Craigslist inquiries, okay? This is going to be automated for you, and that's exactly what you want to do so that you have more free time to do what you want to do, okay? So with that being said, here's a sample ad. Again, this works very well. We have a ton of samples, a ton of images, ad copy, swipe, everything you need. Okay, so you don't have to worry about creating ads. Now I'm going to take you into the back office of Get Fearless Freedom. This is the marketing system. Once you make your admin payment and choose the product package of your choice, you're going to have access to be able to log in and get right into your training. So what you'll do is you'll come down here. The mastery level is the $500 level. It's the one that has the Craigslist auto reply software and the Craigslist auto responder. So exactly what you want to do is you want to come down here to mastery, okay, once you've made the purchase, because you'll have full access to everything, and click on Craigslist auto responder. Then what you're going to want to do next is watch this video, because this is going to teach you. This is your training video, step-by-step tutorial, very simple. You'll watch this video to learn how to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. How to use Craigslist for inexpensive marketing. So again, we are able to successfully get our ads up there for as little as $5 an ad, okay? And this is going to help you to generate massive exposure, okay? And get your ads in front of a lot of people, because your objective is going to be to build your email list so that GFF can follow up with its done-for-you email portal, okay, to your leads. And the whole entire process works extremely, extremely well. So this is the video. You'll start here, and then these are the simple instructions, okay? You want to follow these to a T. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to deviate away from these because it won't work for you. You know, we can't guarantee it's going to work for you if you don't follow the instructions. So there's 6 simple steps. You just read each one. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. Now you're going to go out there and create a brand new Craigslist account, okay? Because you need to use, for this AI software to work properly for you, you need to be using your assigned GFF email address, okay? Because the way this is configured and programmed, it works in accordance with the email address that GFF creates for you and assigns to you, okay? So the instructions are in step 6, so, please follow this exactly, okay? Don't try to reinvent the wheel, all right? So step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the email address that you want to collect replies from your Craigslist prospects and leads. So when they want information, they'll click on that little reply button within the Craigslist ad, and you'll get an email notification, okay, to the email that you input right here. And then what you need to do is type your auto response message, because when they hit reply, they'll type something like, please send me more information, I'm interested. Once they do that and they hit the submit button, they're going to automatically get your auto response message that you entered here. And then you will go ahead and hyperlink your link to your website. When they click on this, your website's going to pull up, and they will willingly and freely enter their email address to get more information, to learn more. And that's going to do a couple different things. That's going to help you to build your email list. And then this marketing system, okay, the other unique one-of-a-kind tool is the done-for-you email portal, where the company follows up with your leads daily and sends emails out. Works extremely well. So we've got amazing training, amazing tools to help you to build your business, your GFF business, and you can use this for other businesses of your choice as well, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. But this is the sweet spot, okay, the mastery level, because you'll get full resale rights. You'll get to keep 100% of the commissions, $500 over and over again. And those add up very, very nicely, okay? And then if you choose in the future, you start here, you can always upgrade. You just pay the difference. And then you can upgrade, if you so desire, to the 1000 Supreme or the new Freedom Elite 2000, okay? Because this also not only is the busiest time of year, but it's also high ticket season as well, okay? So a multitude of benefits, folks, giving you the resources, the training, the masterminds, the tools, everything to help you to learn how to successfully build your email list, build any business of your choice, of course, GFF, and using this amazing tool, the Craigslist Auto Reply software and the Craigslist Auto Responder feature within the Auto Reply software. So again, super simple, folks. I shared with you a sample ad. We have multiple sample ads, multiple images. We'll even give you the best recommendations, where to post, the best times of day to post, all of that, the schedule. We have step-by-step training. And then you just come in here and you watch this video. It's going to step you through everything. It's going to be your guide to your Craigslist training. You follow these 6 steps. You create a brand new account using the assigned email address. You enter an email here. This is where you're going to get notified. And then this is your little auto response message that when your prospect comes through your ad, hits and clicks that reply, types a request for information, they're going to automatically receive this. That's why the process is streamlined. It's automated. It's wonderful, folks, okay? And it's a very cost-efficient way to get great, massive exposure out there as well, okay? And then this is hyperlinked. Don't click here. Please click here for our 7-minute video. And by the way, that video has been updated. It is absolutely amazing. It is doing great things out there in the marketplace, converting like crazy. And that's exactly what you want, especially this time of year, folks. So you want to take this season between now and the end of the year, capitalize on it for your traffic and lead generation to build your business, build your email list, and use tools that can get you massive exposure. Okay, so with that being said, folks, what I'm going to do is put the link to my website, my GFF website below, bestincomechoice.com. That's one of them. So go to bestincomechoice.com, enter a good, valid email address, and then you'll be redirected, and then you'll be able to watch that brand new updated 7-minute video that's going to break everything down and fully explain. And what I also did is I uploaded our most recent Craigslist webinar replay, our training replay webinar, to my YouTube channel. And I'm also going to drop the clickable link for quick, easy access below in the description. Now, if you have any questions at all, please, the best way to reach me, text or call me, and I'll be happy to answer any question you have, help you to get started if you're ready to get going today. And with that being said, folks, I'd love nothing more than to welcome you to Get Fearless Freedom in advance. I'm so excited that you're here, that you've watched my video. Now you have full awareness of how to build a successful business and one of the many resources and tools that can help you to do so during our busy season successfully, folks, so that you can go out there and profit and capitalize and win and help your team members to do the same. Okay? Thank you so much. See you soon on the next Get Fearless Freedom video. Bye for now.